here, Khai. Today, we celebrate another beginning to a new chapter of our lives. You know, the scariest part about writing these vows was doing it without your help. It's not because I don't know how to do it, but because I can't imagine doing anything without you. When we met at UC Santa Cruz almost 10 years ago, I didn't know my life would change in the best way possible, and I had met my future husband. Now that we are here, I can't picture choosing anyone else but you to go through life's journey with. Over the last 8 years together, you've shown me what unconditional love, trust, and respect truly is. At the beginning of the year, we entered one of the most challenging and scariest times of our lives with my dad's health being unknown. But during these difficult times, you were always the strong one, pulling us through and reassuring me that everything will be okay.
Rachel Pei. As we stand here today in front of the most important people in our lives, I'm going to try my best to share in the words the impact your love has had on me and how blessed I am to experience it. Who would have thought our pepper lunch date 8 years ago would turn into something I could never dream of? What I love most about you is that you are always supportive of me, whether it be going to a football game wearing Ravens gear, or help me practice for my pharmacy school interview. I mean, who else would wait 6 hours for me at Starbucks? I knew back then that you were someone I wanted to marry. Before you, I did not know what love is, but now I do. In you, I found a partner in life and a lover. In you, I found someone who supports me, who inspires me, who respects me, honors me, and laughs at my dumb jokes.
Wow! I love. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Cheers!
Wow. Let's start reading.
Hi.
You're good.
Thank you. How do I look? This is my mom's dress.
So nice. Like a princess.
Thanks. Can you believe it?
I'm nervous.
Did you
Look
do one?
Nah.
Really? Why not?
It's only a few. Look good.
Well, good evening, everyone. On behalf of Khai and Rachel, I'd like to say welcome and thank you for joining us tonight for such a beautiful celebration. Isn't this just a perfect day? What a beautiful scene, a beautiful family and friends to join us here, and a beautiful couple before us. This is such a wonderful day for you, one that you'll always remember, to be able to celebrate like this with family and friends. It's obvious that everyone here is very excited for you. And I know I speak on their behalf to say thank you for letting us be here and share this day with you. Tonight we have this beautiful sacred moment, but it's also a very serious covenant that you're entering into. And so I know that you approach this time with a lot of confidence, but also an understanding that this is indeed the highest commitment that you can make to another human being.
I know I never have to worry about taking care of myself because you always put me first. That sense of security allowed me to fall in love with you so easily. Every day you continue to show me the man that you are and the husband you will be, and I promise to continuously work on myself and be the wife you want and deserve. I'm so grateful for all the memories we've shared thus far, like running a 5K marathon through bubbles just so I could take cute photos. waiting in line to go up the tallest building in Chicago even though you're afraid of heights, or even going out to the far depths of the ocean to go snorkeling even though you can't swim. You will always be my biggest fan and support all things that make me happy, including my love for BTS. And I promise I'll do the same for you. I promise to never stop seeking out the next adventure with you. I promise to always encourage you because I know one way or another you'll ascend to the top. I promise to celebrate your accomplishments no matter how big or small. And I promise to be there for you as you have been there for me. I love you today, love you tomorrow, love you forever.
Thank you for teaching me how to be a better person. Thank you for cheering me up when I'm feeling down and celebrating the small wins in life with me. Over the past 8 years, we have built the foundation of a loving relationship that I know will stand up to the test of time. Together, we will continue to have amazing adventures and overcome whatever challenges life throws at us. I vow to take you, Rachel, to be my wife. I will continue to dedicate all the days of my life to filling our days with laughter. I promise to love you when life seems easy and when life seems hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort. When you need a friend, I'll be your best friend. Sorry, Chia. When you need help, I'll be there for you. When you want to try something new, I will encourage you. When you want to watch a new Korean drama, I'll watch it with you every day for the rest of my life.
And their mothers are going to come forward, and mothers have written letters for them, parents have written letters for them to put in this box, and they will be opening the box and drinking the wine and reading their letters and vows again on their 5-year anniversary. Now, by the power invested in me, by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Would you like to kiss your bride, Khai? Okay, get in there.
You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. And you are my universe, and in the night I lie and look up at you. When the morning comes I watch you rise. There's a paradise they couldn't capture, that bright infinity inside your eyes. 매일 밤 내게 날아가 꿈이란 것도 잊은 채 나 웃으며 너를 만나. Never ending forever, baby. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you make my world light up inside.
Yes, if you can't tell, Rachel is dressed up as a Christmas tree. She has the star on her head and ornaments hanging on her dress. I literally still can imagine Mrs. Pay's face, and she's looking so shocked and confused, asking Rachel what she's wearing. This photo reminds me of one of my favorite qualities about Rachel. She doesn't care what people think, and she is always the life of the party. Khai, you're reliable, loyal, and you always put Rachel first, and for that I'm grateful she chose you. I pray that God will continue to guide you both and bless the next chapter of your life. And you know I'm always here anytime you need me. If I had one wish, I would wish that everybody finds their Rachel in their life. Stop crying. You are the most caring and thoughtful human to ever exist. And I'm so happy to be part of the celebration. I love you both so much.
And they said that we can't be together because we're come from different sides. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you make my world light up inside.
there to push me and those around him to succeed and wants the best for us. That's how I know he'll take care of you, Rachel, and your future family. No matter what I'm going through or I'm complaining about, I know I can text him or call him and he'll give me level-headed, genuine advice. He may joke about things a lot, but at the end of the day, he's one of the nicest guys I know, and I've been lucky to see all sides of him. They say marriage is not about finding a person you can live with, but a person you can't live without. And my best friend today found his. So congrats to you both, and I love you both. So if everyone can please raise your glasses to the newest, most beautiful couple, Mr. and Mrs. Khai and Rachel Nguyen.
나를 밝혀주는 건 너란 사랑으로 수놓아진 별. 내 우주와 너 다른 세상을 만들어주는 걸. 너는 내 별이자 나의 호주니까 지금의 시련도 결국엔 잠시니까 너는 언제까지나 지금처럼 밝게만 빛나줘. 우리는 너를 따라 이긴 밤을 수놓고 너와 함께 날아가. When I'm without you I'm crazy. 자 어서 내 손을 잡아. We are made of each other baby.